Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I want to share with you guys how I cut my bangs. Right now, I have a very short hair because I had it cut last January. And a little story about my bangs, by the way. I had it since I was in grade 6 and I am doing it by myself since then. So today, I wanted to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to put your hair up, and then since my hair is already in half, I don't have to like partition it. Of course, you will be needing a scissor, a comb, and some hair clips. You have to put some of the hair that is not part of your bangs at the back. I have to clip that. In styling your bangs, by the way, it's all up to you guys how short or like how long you like your bangs will be. Because mine, I want it pretty short because I have a big forehead that I need to cover. That is the only hair that I need to cut. I don't need less or more than that. We'll start. I used to have full bangs before, but I don't think it suits me well, and especially if I'll go out, it will just like turn into half right away. So it won't even be a full bangs anymore. I have a little trash bin here, so I won't make a lot of mess here. Comb that bangs down, and then I'll start to cut it by dividing it into two. This one is the one that is a bit longer. We'll start to cut it. This is the moment of truth. You have to cut it upward. There you go. The other half, cut it upward again. There you go. And I want it very short. Just have to comb it again. Cut the desired length that I want with the same direction that I did earlier, okay? We'll go on the other side of my bangs, and then this one now I'll cut it from top to the bottom, okay? Last, once you start cutting, you don't want to stop. You guys can relate, right? I don't know if you guys can see any difference from before and after, but that's it. The length of my bangs in here, that's just the way that I want it. And even on this side. And if I put my hair down, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. I hope I give you some idea on how to cut your bangs. It's all up to you guys. What style would you like, or like what you prefer? But for me, I like it this way. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, don't forget to put the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you on our next one. Bye!